The transition to electric vehicles is limited by the access of battery materials that are extremely inefficient and expensive to scale today. The biggest bottleneck being the synthesis of cathode material, which is much more costly and carbon intensive part of the battery, thus the EV. SYLVATEX technology enables cathode production rates that are at least 5 times higher, reducing the cost of making materials by up to 60%, while simultaneously slashing carbon footprint by 85%, reducing tons of waste and bringing water consumption to essentially zero. Today, the purity of inputs needed for conventional cathode manufacturing generates massive emissions and waste. We use less processed inputs and can incorporate recycled materials as they become more available to have a true closed-loop system. Today, we've produced this EV-grade cathode material at a pilot scale and have been working with development industry partners to really expedite our time to market. And our focus is to enable the path to a net zero EV future. Conventional cathode manufacturing is not sustainable in terms of material utilization and economic viability. To unlock the economic growth of the EV future, the industry needs to focus on lowering costs, developing climate-friendly production throughout the supply chain, and ultimately creating a closed-loop use of these finite materials. Our technology will help the industry grow by enabling significantly improved costs, improve efficiencies, and dramatically reducing the consumption of water and precious resources, resulting in the economic growth and a more sustainable environmental footprint.